Okay, so what do we have here today? This looks like an amazing box. Let's open it up. Oh, okay, guys. So, yeah. Wow, this looks amazing. The packaging is really good. So, here we have the HP Envy 360 convertible. So, it comes with the laptop with the HP logo over here. A small user guide and a setup manual, and on the right, see, on the right you have your charger cable. Okay, so this is the cord. Okay, so this is quite small. If you can see, it is fitting in my hand, and this is a 65-watt charger. And yeah, there is one more thing which I'm really excited about, is that this is the pen, the stylus pen which they provide for the touch screen laptops. So let's open this up. Okay, so the pen looks somewhat like this. Oh wow, that looks good. It's a little difficult with one hand, you know. Okay, let me keep this over here. Yeah, so here's the pen, that stylus pen, and I'm guessing, yeah, it just pops out this way. Oh, it's really heavy. It's really heavy, and it comes with a cable to charge it as well, and with two tips, one over here, one over here. I see. This comes in handy when you're into drawing or into art on the laptop, on the touchscreen laptop. Yeah, that's about it for the unboxing. Let's open the laptop and see how does it look from inside. So I'm gonna place it over here and open it for y'all. So I have to pull this tab off. That is like a pull tab with the laptop to remove the laptop. Okay. Here comes off the wrapper. Oh, this looks amazing. It feels amazing as well. Yeah, it has the Envy logo over here. So I'll just show you around. Yeah, it looks this way. It is a bit heavy, you can say, I guess because of the big battery size. And from the back it looks this way. Nothing, just a grill for your air to pass through. A grill as you on over here as well, just for the air intake and air outtake. So I'm gonna open it now. Oh wow, this looks amazing. The matte black finish. So here you have it, the Envy 360 convertible. I have the Ryzen 5 series with AMD inbuilt graphic card with a 12 GB RAM. Oh wow, this is too good. Yeah. Okay guys, so that's it. today. Let's catch up next time.